My name is Alfred, and folks call me the online millionaire because I teach people how to make money using the internet. Alright, this morning I want to share something quite very interesting with you. Something that is going to help you in your pursuit, towards building a business online. Something that is going to help you to be able to overcome a lot of hurdles when it comes to actually building a business and making money online. So first of all, I want to talk about something which is the perception of the average Nigerian when it comes to building a business and making money online. So your regular Nigerian, your average Nigerian, they have this perception of your regular Nigerian have this perception of somehow going for quick riches instead of doing the real work. They always want to go for quick riches instead of coming down to do the real work, which is build the systems that will help them to get started on the journey towards making real money online. So what are the things that they need to focus in building that real system? That's choosing a particular niche where they will build their business around an industry or a market, so to say. Then building their website for that particular business in that niche. And then of course that content is king, and they begin to churn out winning content to help them rank that particular website and draw traffic to it. So there are two ways you can draw traffic, like I always say, because these things are very important, yet a lot of people are missing it. A lot of people are not making money because they are not paying attention, and some that are also paying attention are not implementing. For you to generate traffic, there are two ways you can go about it. One is to do it organically, which means you have to create content. Either you are writing the content, or maybe you are shooting videos, or you are doing podcast, or whatever it is, whatever channel you think that works best for you, you can use that to create content online. So you can also have a mixture of those channels through which you can create content to blow up your brand and get that desired traffic. But in another way, you can also buy the traffic, because the traffic is there. The traffic is the people. The people are on Facebook, they're on Instagram, they're on Twitter, they're on they're on Pinterest, they're on LinkedIn, they're on TikTok, and all the places that you can think about, including YouTube. So if you have the money to say, okay, I want you guys to give me 1 million people to my website. I want 1 million people to see my website. I want 1 million people to visit the page where I have my product. I want 1 million people to actually click on my link to purchase what I'm selling. They will gladly give it to you because of course you're paying them. Alright, so provided you are paying them, everybody wants money. Alright, they are in business for money, so they will gladly give you the people. But whereby you have a very lean budget and you don't have all that money to spend, you have to generate content to be able to draw the traffic. Because let's even say that you buy the traffic and you are channeling the traffic to your website, probably to a capture page, lead capture page, where you are taking the lead into your into your database, so you can reach out to them, follow them up, reach out to them and sell to them later. So let's say you want to do that, and the people come to the site and they don't find something convincing. What do you think will happen? At the end of the day, they will think you're not serious, and even if you begin to reach out to them, and it happens that whatever you are giving to them is not also valuable, they will think that you're a joker. All right, so you have to take content development seriously. Now, like I said before, everyone who is not getting results online, everyone who is not getting results, everyone who's not making sales, everyone who's not making money, everyone whose business is not growing online, okay, there is just one thing that is responsible for that, and I will say it unapologetically, and I will say it anytime, any day, and anywhere. They don't know what they are doing. That is the reason why they don't get results, because they never paid attention to learn. They never paid attention to listen. They never paid attention to the platforms, to the business structures of people who are succeeding, to check what is it that they are doing, what is it that they are implementing that's they themselves are not implementing in their business. So that's very important. So you have to pay attention to what works. Then when you figure it out, okay, that this is what works, the next thing that you need to do is to learn that thing that works and implement it in your business, right? So, but now we have a system, okay, that just came up, and it's something revolutionary that happened over the course of last weekend. And I talked about it in the other video. I did another video introducing it. I talked about it in that video, and I said that it's a revolution, it's a phenomenal event that happened. And it's not just for Africa, it's not just for Nigeria, it's for Africa and the world. So a powerful platform that you can set up your business and get paid in any currency of the world. You don't have any issues with trying to sort out payment issues. All right, and as well, you don't also need to bother about building your own website, because the platform gives you all of that. It gives you, you have the funnel designed for you already, you have everything done for you already. All you need to do is to just pick it and pick the product, and that's just all. And most importantly, it's completely free. It also comes with what is it called now? It also comes with a tailor-made training that will help you to be able to use the platform, and also get you acquainted with all the skills, all the knowledge that you need to make your online marketing journey a successful one. So I want to officially invite you to Stakecut. Come with me on Stakecut, and if you are coming with me, you are going to have access to me free of charge. You're going to have access to me to ask me anything. I'm going to be guiding you. I'm going to be helping you to grow right on Stakecut, and I will also be there to guide you every step of the way. So you can shoot me a DM, you can call me, and right below this video, you're going to see a link to create your account on Stakecut. You're going to see a link right below this video to create an account on Stakecut, and I'm going to be hosting an event soon for Stakecut for all the people who will be working with me. So I'll be glad to lead you on this journey to help you succeed. So with that, I think we've come to the end of this video, and I remain your good friend Mosu Ugochukwu. Alfred and folks call me the online millionaire, because you know what? I teach people how to make money using the internet. That's my job. Bye.